Hey everybody, welcome to our blog income report for the month of March. Alright guys, we're going to jump into this shortly. For those of you joining us for the first time, welcome. For our returning viewers, welcome back. So what I do in these income reports, I run through all our key performance indicators that are driving traffic to our blog, Blogging Money Life. I start with the metrics coming out of our socials, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. Then I move into our email list, talk about our subscriber growth. I follow that by discussing all the key performance indicators behind our actual website. And then I finish up this report with the financials, discussing our profit and loss statement. I'm going to go ahead and get started right now with YouTube. Just glancing at this sheet, you see a lot of green in the March column. All of our YouTube metrics are up. We finished this month with 567 subscribers. That's a total gain of 77 subs and a growth rate of 108%. Monthly views are up 109%, finishing just under 5,000. Almost 17% of our views were driven from external sources, such as blog posts or social media. One of our goals with YouTube is to have 4,000 watch hours within the past 365 days. As you can see, our watch hour growth goes up a little bit every month, and we are about halfway to reaching that goal. Watch hours this month is at 482 hours. That shows a growth rate of 132%. We received over 56,000 impressions. A 4.5% click-through rate is up 12% from last month. Our average view duration is at 5 minutes 48 seconds. This is up 32 seconds from last month. We put out 5 new videos, and the age of our channel is 13 months old. Instagram. We finished the month with 1,047 followers. That's a growth of 69 followers. We posted 5 times to our account. The back-end data on Instagram tells us that we have driven 6 clicks to our blog. Link in bio is a tool we use to schedule and post directly to our Instagram. It also has a board that links individual Instagram posts to content outside Instagram. So when we launch a new YouTube video, we can link that Instagram post relating to that video directly to that video on YouTube. Our link in bio page got 13 views and 2 post clicks. Facebook followers has stayed the same since February. Page likes have grown by 1 like. And we created 6 posts in March. Pinterest. Not a lot going on. We have 5 Pinterest followers. Alright, moving on to our KPI for our email list. We finished March with 367 subscribers. That is a growth of 80 subs. We lost a total of 8 subscribers to the unsubscribe button at the bottom of our emails. A total of 2,165 emails were sent out in March with an average open rate of 26%. That equals 568 open emails. The links in those emails have an average click-through rate of 1%. Total number of clicks on those links within the emails were 21. Nobody marked us as spam, and that does it for our email KPIs. Moving on to our website metrics. The age of our blog is 8 months old. We have 49 articles published there. We put out 1 article this month. A lot of our metrics and keyword research comes from a tool called SEMrush. It's an awesome tool. It can do a lot. We got a whole nother video detailing what you can do with SEMrush. The SEMrush tool lets us know that 5 of our keywords rank within the top 10 of a Google search. 1 of our keywords rank within the top 3. This tool is also telling us there are 290 domains referring us for a total of 1,100 backlinks to our website. Moz Domain Authority score is at 11. Our Alexa authority score is at 137,418 out of all the websites in the entire world. We have had 46,600 Google search impressions in March. Out of those impressions, we have a 1.5 click-through rate. Our average position in a Google search is number 40. We received 866 users. Total page views is down to 1,300. Our average session duration is down to 39 seconds. Bounce rate on our website is at 87%. 115 visitors have gone directly to our website. 700 of our visitors are organic. 13 of our users have come from referrals relating directly to other referring domains and backlinks. 46 users have come from our social media accounts, and 683 users have found us organically through a Google search. Okay, so let's talk about how much money a blog with 1,000 monthly sessions can bring in. You can see here we are signed up with 4 different affiliate networks. Although we are producing leads, our leads have not converted to any sales, therefore we have not made any affiliate income. The only advertising network we can qualify for with 1,000 sessions is Google AdSense. Actually, you can set up a Google AdSense account with 0 traffic. We brought in $14.40 this month. As a result of having a decent domain authority, there are brands reaching out to us for sponsored post opportunities. But we have not put a system in place yet to filter through those opportunities, so we have not accepted any partnerships or sponsored posts. As you can see here, the majority of our money comes from product sales. We sell a variation of 3 different products: a course called Blogging Money Formula, a subscription newsletter called the Blogging Money Update, and a toolkit called the Sponsored Post Pricing Toolkit. The total revenue generated from our product sales is $311.88. If you have a blog, you have expenses. At the very least, you're going to be paying for a hosting provider. You can see here we have quite a few expenses for such a small blog. We do run another blog which is quite a bit larger, so we're able to share some of these tools with the other blog, which helps us justify using some of these additional products. Our total expenses for this blog is $97.71. As we develop this blog, we want to structure it like a business, and by that I mean hire different employees. As of right now, we don't have many personnel expenses. We do use a YouTube transcriber every month to add captions to our videos. She does a great job and charges us $10 an hour, and we had her for 4 hours this month. Okay, now we can wrap things up with our profit and loss summary. Total monthly gross income, $326.28. Total monthly expenses, $137.71. Gross income less expenses left us with $188.57. We're setting 22% aside for taxes, which leaves us with a net income of $147.08 for the month of March. Thank you so much for joining us. If you like this income report, join us next month. Just hit the subscribe button and the little bell button if you want a notification. If our blog monetization tracker looks like a tool that could benefit you, just head over to our website, bloggingmoneylife.com, where you can download it for free.